everybody. Okay, good morning, folks. Good morning, good morning. Oh, nice. Hydra's. Okay, cool. Let's see here. Let me join my mentor, Hydra. Hydra's live. So, I'm going to be joining him. I'm going to have him in one ear for myself. Watch Hydra. And, oh, man. Good morning, everybody. So, what I'm seeing, let's look at the 4-hour here. So, looking at the 4-hour, let's look at the ranges. I'm looking at the 4-hour, looking at the ranges. Here's the bigger range right here of the last drop. And about 50% of this range are these 4-hour order blocks right here. So we can get resistance from there and go down potentially. Here's a smaller end of the range. If we just take this here, oops, sorry, I'm at the 1-hour. This is the 4-hour. So, all right, so we got sell side down here. Let's see here, let me just turn on. So I got Hydra in one ear. He's one of my mentors. Watching him stream, and I am streaming myself, obviously. And I'm probably gonna take any trades because we got news at 10. Probably nothing until afterwards. Or just being really careful. That's why we're ranging from yeah, it's just, let's see here. So we're probably gonna there's potential SMT, it looks like, on, let's see here, with Dow and ES, but let me just draw out the ranges right now. So we got this far. Here's the current range, 1 hour. Here's a big OB right here. That's what I'm watching. Kind of roughly at 50%. So if we jump up here, we might show resistance, go back down, because we have sell side down here and sell side down here. So let's go down to 30-minute. We got this big SIBI breaker, Sibian breaker acting as resistance right here. The unicorn model right there. I mean, Got a unicorn right there, so a lot of resistance. SIBI, breaker. I mean, we're in it right now, so let's see here. Let's see how we're doing. So yeah, we got like I said, we got a 1 hour breaker, 1 hour SIBI. I'm on the 15-minute. This could be even lower to be a 15-minute. I'll leave it at the 1 hour. It's stronger, but we're within a unicorn resistance right here. So here's the range right here of the current leg. So that's what I'm looking at. I'm gonna keep the 1 hour right here. And then we have lots of, we are above 8:30 open, above midnight open. We have London lows right here. So this is going to be a good target right here. It's London lows. This might be the objective for the AM session. It's at 863. We call this London lows. Okay, look at ES. ES still same thing. ES got London lows down here. So my draw right now is lower. Draw right now is definitely lower. Let's see if we got some SMT. So let me look at ES real quick. Let's look at ES on the 4 hour. So here's the current range right here. Let's see here. We bounce off this breaker. We got a BISI right here on the. I'm gonna delete this, but I'll just leave this breaker. I think it's a 15-minute breaker, or 1 hour. So we obviously got a big, huge inversion right here. I mean, 4 hour inversion, so a lot of resistance. I don't know if I'll mark it out, but we can mark this out. Big inversion right here. The 4 hour. And then let's go down to 1 hour. Yep, boom, boom, boom. So Hydra might be going for a long, but I'm just watching. So let's see here. We got 15. Yeah, we got a lot of resistance above. So if anything, I'll wait till after news and go for a short. I think London lows is the objective today, and we have buy side or sell side down here as well. But okay, so let's see here. So we're in this huge breaker. We got a lot of sell side down here. Interesting. Hydra is long bias right now. So I'm going to keep it. So yeah, so that's what I'm looking at. Personally, I'm looking at these, let's see here, we're at this current range. I'm looking at this current range. We're within a breaker. This There's 1 hour OB at 50%. We might go up to 50% of this larger range right here, boom, and then go back down. So I think that's why Hydra's long. Okay, interesting. Hydra's long right now. I'll get one contract with them. Why not? I'll just get in one contract. I'll get in one contract with him.
Order working.
See if I get filled. With buy side. He's going for that. Let's see if I get filled on these order blocks on this breaker here. Will I get filled? Probably not. Dang it. He's going for a quick scalp, which makes sense at the yeah, we're gonna hit 770 or 775 around there. See if it hits. And stop would be below, swing low, but yep, no fill. No fill. Just going without me, yep. So
order cancelled.
Yeah, deliveries right here. That's the target. Oops. But we're in a lot higher time frame resistance, so I think the draw is still lower. I think this might be the Judas up and then back down. So let's see if we target hits 770. This range. See. So you can we got sell side right here, and we got a gap. We got a new day opening gap. Sorry, regular trading hours opening gap is what I meant. So we got, that was a good short. I mean, I should have taken that short. So that he took a loss there. So I would have taken a partial right here. Let's see, did ESSMT, did ES take this high? Did it sweep it? I think it did sweep this high. So right now, if I take any trades, I'm just going for really quick 10-point scalps because we got news at 10. So, oh, ES did take that high. Okay. So ES took this high. We got SMT. So NQ doesn't need to take the high. And I'm bearish bias. We got a regular trading hours opening gap. I'm going against the bias of my mentor, Hydra here. He's long, but we have a regular trading hours opening gap. We got a 4-hour breaker. I'm sorry, yeah, 4-hour breaker. So we're in resistance, and we have London lows down here. So I think that's the draw. Oh wait, no, he's going short too. Cool. Okay, then we're gonna retest this inversion. I'm gonna get a short right there.
Order working. Order filled.
There we go. And let's take a.
Order working.
Let's just go for that as my target. It's about 25 points. Stop above the So we got SMT right here. It might just chop around though, so let's just see. And we got regular trading hours gap fill. So, and we're above the 8:30. We're not above 9:30. We're above midnight open. And I'm not loving this. That's why I'm only risking one contract. So my stop would be above here. See here. Got SMT. Testing the inversion. I want to see this SIBI hold, this inversion hold. Obviously, we're in big resistance. Okay, if this fails.
Order working.
Okay, I think I might cancel, yep. Let's see here if we... Alright, let's see if we get a candle close above. If we get a candle close above this inversion, then I'm done. Okay, looks like we're seek and destroy.
Order cancelled.
Alright, so one loss right now, down 325, no big deal. Tapped into fire break and almost perfectly too. Fire breaker, yeah. So, anyways, I think we're just gonna do seek and destroy till 10 o'clock. So it looks like seek and destroy. This is a megaphone pattern. So yeah, manipulation up. Probably dig into this fire breaker. We might head up to this OB. Higher up here, which would fill this 1 hour gap. So 803 is the mark. Where was another SMT? Oh, it's here. Let me see. Did I miss an SMT on the hourly? I don't know. That's okay. So now we're gonna drop. Let's see here. Here's the current. I'm gonna wait till after 10. Oops. So here's the current dealing range. So here's equilibrium. So I think the draw is up here to 822, but and then we'll hit this OB and then draw back down in London. So price could look something like this. Boom. And then take it all the way down to London. But like I said, I'm just waiting till waiting for news. So I took one loss with one contract, 375. It's almost like 20-point loss, which I'm okay with. All right, so now, so we got this current range. We just hit 50%. We have a BISI on, is that the hourly? What is this? Is it 1 hour? Let's just stay out right now, guys. Let's seek and destroy. taking them out buy side, taking out sell side, megaphone pattern. It's SMT failed, so it's not SMT anymore. But yeah, just look at this megaphone pattern. Boom. So when you see megaphone pattern, it's taking destroy, taking out both sides of liquidity. You can try to trade these ranges when it goes back and forth, but it's risky, and I'm going to stay out, especially with news at 10. So all right, so not much to say here. Thanks for joining, everybody. I'm just yo, what up, what up? Let's see here. So yeah, we're probably gonna drop, take out sell side right here. I'm definitely bearish, so morning. So for those who just joined, my bearish is currently short, but I'm not taking any trades probably till after news. We're gonna activate this breaker. Maybe macros is about to end at 9:40. Low probability trades right now. So this is the current range. I'm bearish on the higher time frame. We got a 1 hour order block. Got a breaker, 1 hour breaker right here. I'm thinking price is gonna go like this, hit the equilibrium, or hit this OB, and then come back down, take London lows. That's my prediction right now, but I mean that's what I'd like to see. But hopefully, we'll wait till news at 10. See what 10 o'clock news does. Cool, nice, yep. Bearish two, but right now, so you can destroy megaphone pattern, taking out both sides of liquidity, buy side liquidity, sell side liquidity, is what we're doing. I took one trade earlier and took a loss. I went short here, around here on this inversion, and then went back up, took my stop. So, I mean, this is not a trade. I would not take this. I'm just tape reading it. So if this breaker confirms, if it's a good breaker, then we would trade idea would be something like this. Oops. Because we got a breaker right here, or we're about to get a breaker. And yeah, so I think we're going down to sell side here at this draw. But like I said, I'm not taking it. We're outside the macro time. News at 10. It's going to be choppy. See, look at that. I mean, this breaker hasn't even confirmed yet, so yep. Just watching. So yeah, that trade idea didn't work, obviously. Let's see here, So seek and destroy until 10. Until news. So I'm just staying out. So, oops. All right, welcome to those who have joined. Just watching right now. I got Hydra on one ear, one of my mentors, watching him. Higher time frame, I'm bearish. We got I think it's a 4 hour, 1 hour breaker right here. And we got a regular trading hours gap right here. And we got London lows down here. Same with ES, London lows, gap for our breaker, for our IFG. We'll get resistance from within the range, the current dealing range, at the large time frame dealing range. We're in discount, but I'm definitely bearish today. Let me see the daily actually. So yesterday we took out both the previous day's high and low. We dipped into this order block here on the daily. Interesting. So actually, we might not take this London lows. Let's. Oh no, I have no idea what we're gonna do today. On the daily. So yesterday, obviously, we got a bearish day, but we took out both sides of liquidity of the previous day. We took out this Devil's Mark. Could potentially go higher and leave these London lows and leave sell side. I'm going to move sell side up here. As yesterday's lows. Interesting. Let's see what ES looks like on the daily. So, yes, same thing. Yeah, so yes, still hitting this daily breaker and daily BISI. So yes, it would go up, but so higher time frame, yeah, we're just in between a huge range, so I don't even know what we're gonna do. Just gotta trade what we see, I guess. Not get married to a bias, and just trade what we see. So like I said, that prediction that I made earlier might go up to equilibrium, and then go back down to take sell side. We'll hit this OB, this 1 hour OB, potentially, and then go back down. That's my prediction, but we'll see. We're at all-time highs, so we might just keep going up, and I don't know. Trading all-time highs is interesting. So let me go back in the 1 hour here. 1 hour over here. I like looking at the 1 hour or switching between 1 hour, 30-minute on here, just to see if I see any like CRT plays. So Hydra is calling out or just thinking a bullish play. But I think I'm a little bit more to 3 minutes, enter a macro in 3 minutes. This current range right here, we're in discount, or we're in premium, I'm sorry, of the current range, of the sell side range to here. This would be my first target. Well, actually, this sell side right here would be my first target. This is the 930. This is the 930 IFEG here. So this would be a key level. Let's see what they do with this. This fair value gap. Since it's the opening for value gap, it's a key level. Let's see here. See resistance from the breaker. Oh, still waking up. So, big Sibby. Probably gonna hit sell side here, 740. We do have an SMT. So this got purged. This would be, if you went short, this would be a protective high right here. Oh, actually, yes, just took these lows. Yes, took these lows. Yes, took these lows. And yeah, now we might pop back up. See how price is using this IFEG, this opening IFEG at 930. Just get sensitive around that area. See, watch. Yes, took these lows. Too much volume. Yeah, it's seek and destroy right now. You don't want to trade. It's seek and destroy, and we have news at 10, so just wait till after 10. Just, yeah, seek and destroy conditions. All right, so yes, took these lows. We might, yes, might take these lows here next, which would be this low. Actually, that's a good entry. If ES takes this low here, if ES takes this, creating SMT, then that would be a good potential long entry for, I'm not going to take it, but it would be something like this. Oops. If ES takes it and NQ doesn't take it. But it's low probability trade. Just going to tape read. Let's see if ES takes it. Is ES going to take these lows, create SMT? Nope. So yes, or NQ took these highs. So thanks for joining, everybody. For those who've just joined, seek and destroy conditions right now, so not going to do anything. My bias kind of is short, not super confident in my bias. We just have London lows down here, previous day lows down here. But we took both sides of liquidity on the previous day. We took Wednesday high and lows yesterday, so I'm not really sure where our draw is for today. I'm thinking it's previous day low, but we're at all-time high, so who knows. So let's see if ES takes this. That'd be good potential long setup for NQ. But like I said, I'm not taking anything till news, and if we get a decent data high or data low news candle, then I'll potentially target that. Dodgy's play. Dodgy's one setup for life. Yeah. Subs up. Yeah, wouldn't pretend. Yeah, exactly. So look, we might sweep this low for on ES. Create SMT. Just gonna delete that. Don't want to confuse anybody. Not. Oh yeah. By the way, not financial advice for entertainment purposes only. Blah blah blah. So, okay, so like ES is probably gonna take these lows now, and then I think NQ is gonna take the low, so the S&P is probably gonna fail. Let's see, if we if we take, there it is. We took these stops right here. Oops. We took these stops. And there's a big SMT right there. It's just a tape read here. See if we at least get to these internal highs right there. What the heck? What just happened? My bad. I don't know. Press something. Just tape reading this. What's happening? Sorry, guys. So yeah, so it's tape read. So I would have entered there if I were going for this, but it's just such low probability. I'm just tape reading it. And probably if I were to end this trade, I would take a partial right here at this order block at 747, and then take another full TP at 57 right here, or at 62. So we got SMT here since ES already took do we have SMT? No, we don't. Not quite. So yeah, just a tape read play. Let's see here. Let's see how we do. Just a tape read. This is a 930 FEG. So we're probably gonna get some resistance at this order block. I would take a partial right there when it's a hit, but I'm not in this, just tape reading. And then full TP right here, relative equal highs. Because there's a big inversion right here, or no, a big CB. These order blocks, that's a breaker, I think. I know that we're in a big break right here, so that's why we're getting a lot of resistance. But I don't know, breakers aren't really reliable in a so yeah, so one partial would be taken off right here at the bottom of this OB if I were in this trade, and then final TP would be these relative at 757. I'd move stop to break even if I were in this, and then let's see, rejecting off this order block and this IFEG. And I want to see ES with these for a bullish play. Oh man, my eyes are burning. I'm still waking up. Okay, well, I wouldn't have been stopped out if I were in this. Let's see here. All right. Well, for those who are just joining, this is just a paper trade, tape read until news. Oh, my TP might hit here. Relative equal highs. Getting resistance from this 930 FEG. Let's see here. Just a tape read. Let's see if it hits. Nope. Just seeking the short conditions, guys. Stay out. Don't make any trades. We're just gonna. Yeah, we're just gonna take buy side, sell side stops and just seek and destroy. So just stay out, tape read, take notes. Oh, this might hit my my target right here. Let's see if it actually hits this. Whoa! Look at that. There we go. There's the news. So that would have hit. Like I said, my predictions up. I think this is the manipulation leg up to 50% of the bigger range, and then I think we might head back down. So there's the manipulation leg up. Let's see if we get some news. This is the news low candle. A lot of sell side down under. I think we'll tap into this 1 hour OB right here. Let's see if we tap into this 1 hour OB. Tap into this 1 hour order block. Okay, we're bullish. It's looking pretty bullish. But this might just be manipulation leg up. Okay, now okay, cool. I'm looking for a tap into the 1 hour order block and potentially short, but let's see. There's a news. For bearish interesting. Hydra's potentially long, but I'm not going to take any long trades right now. So let's see how we do here. I'm expecting price to go up like this, bounce off the FEG, go like that, and then come back down, take London lows. That's what I'd like to see, but we'll see. We will see. What breaker? Yeah, this is a 1 hour breaker. So are just going long.
Order working.
Don't know if I want to take a long here. I'm not going to risk that.
Order cancelled.
Hydra's long right now. He went in a long trade. His stop is at, his entry's at 782, stop at 762, target at target's up there somewhere. I'm not sure, but he's in a long trade. I'm gonna sit out of that. I don't trust that. Yeah, so he might get stopped here. Seems like we might. He's looking at this. He's looking at this. This inversion. So he's in a long trade. See here, the macro is still going for a couple minutes. Breaker. We got a big breaker right here. It's a unicorn setup. Should I risk one contract with my mentor here? Let's see, if we tap into this
Order working.
IFEG, then I will see if we get, if we tap into that, then let's see here, any SMT, no SMT, what's YM looking like? Got a lot of support down there. Let's see here, we got, nope. Okay, might tap back into this little BISI and unicorn entry. Might give me an entry, and I'm gonna see this inversion hold. Let's see if this gives me an entry. And target would be, might not give me an entry. Target would be here, I think, at 805 or 803. Yeah, getting support from this breaker right here. It's a big breaker. There's a big breaker right there. Unicorn setup. Yeah, so I'm not gonna get entry.
Order count.
So we got a bunch of order blocks here. And yeah, we're in this 4 hour SIBI. I mean, if anything, I would just scalp like 5 points today. It's just seek and destroy. Yeah, so let's see, just keep watching. Nothing really going on right now. I think I'm just going to stay out today in this AM session. It seems like seek and destroy. The draw isn't clear to me. Since we took both sides of liquidity yesterday, And yeah, we got SMT right here for, so NQ took the highs, ES didn't. And yeah, just the draw's not clear to me. So I'm probably just going to stay out and just tape read and take notes if I take any trades. My thesis still remains the same. Go back up, hit this OB, and go back down. But let's see what price brings us. Let's see what the 4-hour candles look like. So we're hitting some 4-hour order blocks. So I'm going to get rid of this breaker, but we're within this these 4-hour order blocks. That's why we're getting a lot of resistance. Let's delete that for now. Which is within a big 4-hour CIBI. Watch. If we tap 50% of this range, and then go down, that'll be higher probability for me. If I see a CISD around this range, around this like 810 to 840 range, that's OTE for short. But we'll see. Took one loss today. Might be my only trade. We got SMT. Macro's over, so just sitting on my hands until 10:30 or 10:20 to see if the next macro shows the steady. All right, so another SMT and Q took these highs, and yes, lagging. See how the homies are doing. I haven't been reading any of these chats, so let's see. Man, what's going Yeah, so let's see here. So NQ taking these highs. Ideally, I would have liked to see ES take these lows, and then I would have that would be a higher probability setup for longs, for long on NQ. But right now, we're above midnight open. We're above 8:30, 9:30 open. Not taking any longs. We're definitely in premium, so I'm not going to long in premium. Just going to look for shorts, but right now just watching it chop around until the next macro at 10:20 to 10:40. See what price does then. let's see here. Just watching. A lot of sell side liquidity below. Look at this trend line liquidity. A lot of trend line liquidity here. LR down there. So there's a lot of trend line liquidity right here. Whoops. So we might go down, seek these stops, and then go back up. That's my idea, my thesis right now for the time being until about 10:30. 10:30, I'd like to see price then go down to take all the sell side liquidity, but we'll see if that happens. Price action is not clear to me today, so I'm just staying out. I think PM session is probably going to be better. So yeah, like I said, my thesis is, I mean, that breaker did work. That Hydras play of the breaker worked, but just low probability. It's a super low probability trade. So look, now I think we might reject and might go for sell side. So we hit this 1 hour order block. Let's see how we react in this 1 hour order block and 50% of this range, roughly about 50%. Of this larger range. Let's see here. Oops. Oops. Might go higher. Let's see how we react on this order block. So, yeah. Chopping around to the macro in 2 minutes. Let's see what the macro brings us. We got a lot of sell side liquidity down here. I think we possibly might reverse right here. We got this is we're in premium of this range. We're hitting this 1 hour. Oh, this is a 4 hour chart. Let's see here. We got 41 minutes left. I mean, we're looking pretty bullish, honestly. Let's see here. Nice. So I just said there's a new day opening gap that was up here with the new day opening gap. That was the draw for this morning. I missed his thesis this morning, so that breaker play would have worked to go higher, but the delivery was high resistance liquidity, just super like back and forth and just creeping up to hit the target. Welcome for folks who are joining. My thesis, if it's correct, is that we'll go up, hit this order block, and come back down. My draw is London lows and previous day lows. But I'm not super confident of it because yesterday we took previous day highs and lows, so draw is not clear to me. But it's looking pretty bullish right now. If we inverse this 1 hour and disrespect this 1 hour order block, then we'll definitely be bullish. So let's see here. I took one loss earlier today on one contract, 5,022. So I need 10K more to pass these evals. And that's what I'm looking at right now. So if I see a CISD, that might be a good play because we have so much sell side trend line liquidity right here. Huge SMT with ES. Let's see if we have any longer term SMTs. Let's see here. Any higher time frame SMTs on the hourly? We got a no SMTs on the hourly. Let's see if there's any 15-minute SMTs. Nope, not really seeing anything. Okay, so we might get a reversal here. Okay, so we got CISD here. So there's an inversion play. Yeah. So that's why I'm looking at the equilibrium. Let's see if we get a rejection off this order block. And we got a small inversion. We got a breaker right here. Breaker and a CISD. I want to see body close below 404. And if that's the case, and we get a strong close below here, it'll be a CISD. Got a big SMT here with ES. I think I might scalp this. So there's a close below. I'm gonna sell here.
Order filled.
Inversion because of this CISD. So we got our breaker right here. Whoop, that's not looking good. If we close above here, this is the here's a order blocks. Is a negative or a bearish order block, CISD, but that's the, I want to say a CISD, right? I mean, this is a CISD technically, and we're just retesting the CISD. There's a nice, I want to see it close below 801. And if we close above, ooh, we got a, let's see, potential SMT. Beautiful. We got an SMT with ES. If that SMT holds, so ES took these highs, and I want to see rejection here, but doesn't look like we'll get it. And I'm gonna get out for a stop right there.
Order working.
I'm gonna put it right above that stop, and I might get stopped.
Filled.
Yep. Okay. So I'm done for the day. Took two losses. That was a 255 loss. Almost $500 loss today. 2 losses, and I'm done. So up 49.70, and that's okay. So the CISD didn't hold. My thesis was not correct. This becomes the new, if we close below this order block, it'll be a high probability short, and this would become the CISD. But we're looking pretty bullish, so I don't know if we're gonna get a short play here. Let's see here, we got a bunch of resistance, 15 minutes, 4 minutes left to close this 15-minute candle. If this inverses, then we might be headed up to here, to this, to 859, to 860. If we close above this 15-minute SIBI, we'll inverse that, and my short will be invalidated. We're hitting this big order block, and let's see. Oh man. Okay. Yeah, so we're looking pretty bullish. I think we're gonna close above this, and you might even tap into this CE of this 1 hour order block and then come back down, because we just hit 50% of this range. I took that entry too early. Should have waited. Short. Nope. Two minutes left to see if this inverses, this 15-minute inverses. 30-minute. Yeah, I mean, there's a big 30-minute SIBI. So if we inverse that, then we're going back up to at least here. I think that's the buy side that we're going for. I think that's where we're headed at 50, basically 859. That's buy side right there. And it's CE of this 1 hour order block. Let's see here. Okay, yeah, I think we're heading back up. We're headed up to at least, there's buy side up here as well, 846. That's I think that's yesterday's PM session high. So there's some liquidity above there. We got order blocks supporting price higher. Oh, I'm on the 30-second, my bad. Let me get back on the 1 minute. One minute lift to close above this. Got 1 more minute to close above this SIBI, which would be an inversion, which would mean that buy side is definitely higher. So my draw is definitely higher right now at think we're gonna go. I'd love to see something like this. Retest the breaker. So just waiting. And let's see what happens. We got 1 minute till this top of this macro at 10:30. Let's see what price does. I want to see us take out this buy side, and then come back down. But yeah, we closed above. 30-minute got inversed. Let's see here. Yeah, so ES did not inverse this 30-minute or 15-minute. So ES is hitting this bearish breaker right here. I'm expecting to see some resistance up here, because this is also a order block. Is that a devil's mark? No, it's not. Okay. 30-minute. Let's go back to the 1 hour. Yeah, big 1 hour order block. So what is this? I don't know what that is. I'm just gonna delete that. Okay. Yeah, price is super low volume right now, so just not high probability until there's buy side up here. There's buy side right here at 46. I think this is the draw. We're at least going to hit 46, 846 to take out PM session highs. Let's see here. We've inverse this 15-minute. Yeah, price is just not clear to me right now. We inverse this 15-minute, but we're getting resistance from this 1 hour OB. I think the draw's up here at 859. And then we might reverse it once we take that buy side. All right, I'm done for the day, guys. My son's up, so it's family time. But that's the idea. Come up here, take buy side, potential reversal down there, because we're at those 1 hour. We're at that 1 hour order block plus the CE of this order block. That's and a lot of sell side liquidity below. So that's the thesis. The next draw is going to take 8. We're going to take 846 at that was yesterday's PM session high at that line right there. And OBs are supporting price up higher, just creeping back up, just creeping. Plus we got a 30-minute and 15-minute inversion that's supporting price higher. So that's where it's at. I'm looking for a reversal here at in this range. Let's see what price gives us. I want to see a sweep at this buy side and then back down. Let's see. lot of sell side down here. Yes, definitely looking a lot weaker than NQ. Yes, didn't inverse this yet. So just still watching inside this macro. This macro looks like it's not going to deliver any decent delivery. Looks like we might have to wait till. Typically, what I've seen in the past is when we get seek and destroy in the morning, which we did. Price action will get good after 10:30, like the 11 and PM session will be decent, but seek and destroy from like from 9:30 till 10:30, and just high resistance liquidity runs, which is what we've been doing. Price doesn't get good until like after about this time or 11 o'clock. So that's what I've seen in the past since trading it for about a year. So we'll see if that happens. But I might be done, guys. I might be done for the day. I hear my son up. He's gonna want to play some baseball and play some things in our morning family time. Good luck out there. Make sure to subscribe and get notified when I go live next. Until then, have a great Memorial Day weekend if you're American. And see you on Tuesday. Took 2 losses today. Still up 4,900 on these accounts. We got about 10K left to pass these accounts. Okay, let's see. Are we going to get a reversal? Potential reversal here. Let's see here. If we get a CISD up here. Still haven't taken buy side. We have buy side right here at 846. There's a trade idea. There's a soup trade idea. If we take buy side. That's the trade idea, but let's see if we get a CRTs anywhere. Ooh, actually that's a good. We have Devil's Marks at 790, 752. Yeah, these are good targets. These are good targets. This target 1 here at. Actually, let me see a 30-minute. My base the 30-minute CRT play. Whoops. Oh yeah, this might be a decent 30-minute CRT play. Man, I wanna trade this. What's up, buddy? Oh, you wanna play baseball now? Okay, let's go play. All right, guys. There's a trade idea. There's a CRT play trade idea. If you guys want to take that. So this would be the range, the candle range low, candle range high, partial at midway point on the 30-minute CRT. This candle has a range. That's a potential short. So we had a nice open high. I would wait till the next half hour though. Okay, let's play. All right, guys. Peace.